Now today, IPL 2026, RC vs DC, who win? Royal Challengers Bangalore vs Delhi Capital Match 26. Royal Challengers Bangalore vs DC, who win? Venue M Chinnaswamy Stadium, Bengaluru, today 3:30 p.m. Match number 26. RCB Rajat Patidar Delhi Capital Match 26, RCB vs Delhi. RCB playing 11. First, Virat Kohli, right hand batsman. Second, Peel Salt, right hand batsman. Third, Devdor Patikal, left hand batsman, impact player. 4. Rajat Patidar, right hand batsman, RCB captain. 5th, Tim David, right hand batsman. 6. Jiten Sharma, wicketkeeper, right hand batsman. Number 7, all-rounder Kulon Pandya, left hand batsman, spin bowler. 8. Romeo Shepard, right hand batsman. 9. Swing king Bhumeshwar Kumar, medium fast bowler. 10. Fast bowler, right hand Josh Hazlewood. 11 number Shreyas Sharma, and impact player Iqbal Rashid Salam. DC Delhi Capitals. Delhi Capitals today playing 11. Number 1 Pratham Nikasha. Second, KR Rahul, right hand wicketkeeper batsman. Third, Somin Mavi, impact player. 4. Akshay Patel, left hand wicketkeeper batsman. David Miller, left hand batsman. Stephen Stapp, right hand batsman. Akshaya Sharma, right hand batsman. Iqbal Nabi, fast bowler. Lungi Ingri, fast bowler. T. Natarajan, left hand fast bowler. Kuldeep Yadav, left hand spin bowler. DC vs RCB head to head combination today. RCB 3 win, Delhi 2 win, 5 match. Head to head combination. RCB wins 6 wicket, DC wins 6 wicket, RCB wins 47 run, DC wins 7 run, RCB win 42 run. Today high voltage match RCB vs DC. Video like, share, comment right now.